Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gardening in Easy Way. Today in this video I have shown you the recent jade plant cutting which I had placed in this poly bag few days back, and the full jade plant treatment in the form of video I have already shared with you. So today is the update of this jade plant cutting. You can see that how the small miniature jade plant leaves have started appearing on the tip of the branches. As I am taking the close view, and you can see that how these leaves have started appearing. Also at the bottom, how the very tiny leaves have started appearing. It clearly shows that this cutting is successful. If you have a dying jade plant, then you can take the cuttings in the same way and plant it in the earthen pot or in any poly bag, just like I have taken. This is the easiest way by which you can multiply your jade plant. First thing, which is very important, place this cutting at a proper place. You are not supposed to move the cutting from one place to another. Even place the cutting in the shade. Do not place it in the full daylight, because the cutting, when comes to the contact of direct sunlight, it goes into shock. I always keep all of my cuttings in the shade, especially when the temperature in the summer crossing above 40 degree. Very important thing for doing with this shade plant is that there should be a proper crossing of air if you are placing your cutting in the shade. And I have chosen this place for my jade cutting, and this idea is also really working on it. And moreover, I had already multiplied my dying jade plant into so many fresh cuttings. This is the first cutting which I am showing you, which is already successful and which is having new shoots appearing on the top of the branches. And moreover, I have my another pot which I am right now showing you that how this pot is having so many fresh jade cuttings. All leaves are in green color, and the branches have started growing day by day with the passage of time. And you can see that how many cuttings I have grown up in this plastic pot. And next is the pot which is having my dying jade plant. I mean, I have placed again so many cuttings of this jade plant in this pot, and you can see again all the leaves are in lush green color. So I have my cuttings in the three different pots. I mean, two are plastic pots and one is poly bag. By doing this thing, I have saved my dying jade plant. So the procedure is so simple. The main thing that you have to follow all three or four things which I have already adopted in my procedure, and the result you can see in the video. The result is so wonderful that all the cuttings are in a very good condition. They are growing well. Even the soil is also very wet. And do not overwater the cutting. This could be the reason of decaying the cutting. So water the cutting or the plant whenever the soil is dry. Right now the soil is already wet, so I haven't watered it. So these two pots are the recent updates which I wanted to share with you. That's why I have made this video, that how these cuttings are working well. So next is the cutting in the poly bag, which I have already discussed in detail with you. And all these three cuttings are working well, are growing very steadily though, but these cuttings are in a very good condition. So this is the recent update. So if you also follow these things in case it work well, then please to like, share and subscribe my channel, which is gardening in easy way. And also very much thanks for watching my video till the end.